Hi guys, welcome to our podcast. My name is Lulegan Tlamoti and I'm here with my partner. In today's episode, we will be discussing the play Julius Caesar. The play Julius Caesar is a play that was written by William Shakespeare in 1599. It is a play that speaks about the history, the tragedy history that unfolds in ancient Rome. The play goes on to speak about certain events that lead up to the assassination of Julius Caesar and the aftermath of the conspiracy. Now, in this play, we find primary characters such as Julius Caesar himself, Brutus, Mark Antony, and also Cassius. The play has many themes, but in today's episode, we will be focusing on the two themes, which is women's place in society and also loyalty. Now, regarding the first theme, which is women's place in society, in Act 2, Scene 1, the meeting with the conspirators and Brutus has just already ended, and now Brutus is left alone. Is alone. Portia comes down, and the first thing that Brutus says is that Portia, you should be in bed. Portia also responds by saying, I would also say the same about you, because lately you seem so distant, you seem so unsettled, I don't know what's going on. She even goes as far as kneeling down next to Brutus, asking Brutus, please confide in me, I am wife. She even says, please make me accounted with your cause of grief. Like she's asking Brutus to please tell her what's going on.
Yeah, I completely agree with you. You see in Act 2, Scene 2, when Caesar's wife dreamt about Caesar's statue spouting blood, she asked Caesar to stay home, but Caesar didn't listen. He ended up going to meet Senate.
Yes, I remember also in that part where she even said that we will ask Mark Antony to go to the Senate and tell them that she also kneels next to Caesar and pledges that please don't go. Yes, I remember also that.
That all of that showed that California and Portia's opinion was not valued or respected. Their opinions was limited.
Yes, which proves that women in that time had no place in society.
Now we are moving to the theme loyalty. Loyalty is when you show strongly support to someone or something or group of people intentionally without expecting something in return.
Yes, and loyalty can be evident in this play and viewed in two ways. It can be being faithful to commitments, marriage, relationships, or obligations, or it can also be seen as being loyal to a government or a leader.
Yeah. For example, Brutus loved Rome and Caesar, but he betrayed Caesar by killing him for Rome.
Yes. Which that I remember that he also stated that if someone were to ask me, why did you conspire against Caesar, I would say that not that I loved Caesar less, but that I loved Rome more, which means that he had best interest of Rome more. Yeah.
Even Anton.
Yes, also Mark Antony. There's a part where in Act 1, Caesar says, Mark Antony, don't forget to touch California in the race for where women cannot bear children. And also Mark Antony replied by saying that, yes, whatever Caesar says you shall do, meaning that, implying that he had loyalty to Caesar and was willing to help Caesar with anything that he required.
Also, Casca showed loyalty to the group of people who wanted to kill Caesar, the group that was led by Brutus and Cassius, because he told them about what happened when Caesar refused to take the crown 3 times, when Antony offered Caesar the crown 3 times.
Or on the fact that Antony, I forgot another point whereby Mark Antony said that he will avenge Caesar's death, even though it leads to the civil war, which also implies that the loyalty Mark Antony has for Caesar. And another part where I feel that loyalty is evident, it's when Cassius and Brutus are having a heated argument. Ne?
Mm-hmm.
Brutus is confronting Cassius about his actions. He heard that Cassius was busy accepting bribes. So now Brutus is confused with why by that. Why would you do that? At the same time, we killed Caesar for being too ambitious. Now Brutus is torn apart from, is Cassius loyal to himself or is Cassius loyal to Rome? I also think that's where it's evident.
And also the wives, Brutus and Caesar's wives, characters they showed loyalty because their actions showed loyalty because the way they were so concerned about their husbands' health and well-being.
Yes, I also agree with you that they also showed loyalty in terms of that they are willing to show devotion to their husbands and being loyal so that it can show that they care about their husbands, but they did not listen. Either of them did not take their opinions into consideration. Now, guys, that sums up our podcast today's episode. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you have any questions, please write them down on the chat box. And if you have not watched the play, please go watch the play. It is very interesting. Bye.